Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the new Mythical Epic Buzzra, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see right here, we have the new Mythical Epic. I honestly think that it's a little disappointing. The icon for it made it look like it was going to be very, very cool. But I don't really like how it looks. The eyes just look a bit out of place. But it's an epic tier, and it says Buzzra flies around on wings made of pure electricity and likes to keep itself charged up by licking storm clouds high in the sky and storing the energy in its thick fur. So this pet does have a bit of an animation on the wings. In a few seconds, yeah, there you can see it has like blue electricity go through its wings. And let's go ahead and look at its part bonus. So it's pet number 189, and so we already read that. Its stats, it's a power of, I think that's probably like 7 to 2 or 7 to 3. It's a storm element, and it has 9,303 hearts. So now we are going to get into a battle with it. Okay, so here we are in a battle with it. I have seen its animation, so let's get to it. Alright, so we got the question right, and there is its animation. It has a bit of a spark when it does the attack, but there's nothing really special about it. But it is pretty powerful because we did like 4,900, I think. 4,900 is what I think it said. So we got the question right. There's the attack animation again, and 5,046 damage. So yeah, it's a decent epic. It's not my favorite, but yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a different opinion on it, make sure to comment what you think on it, and bye.